Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your earnings with Swagbucks, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, create an account on Swagbucks by visiting their website. Fill out the required information to set up your profile. After signing up, familiarize yourself with the dashboard. Explore the various ways to earn, such as surveys, videos, and shopping. Start with surveys, as they can be a quick way to accumulate points. Read the qualifications before starting a survey to ensure eligibility. Next, try watching videos, which can be a low-effort way to gain points. Make sure to select playlists that offer the best rewards. Shopping online through Swagbucks will earn you cash back on your purchases. Always check for available offers before you shop. Consider using the Swagbucks browser extension for easier access to deals and coupons. Participate in daily polls and other limited-time offers for extra points. Make use of the Swagbucks mobile app for earning on the go. Regularly check your account for bonus point opportunities. Consider referring friends to Swagbucks, as this can significantly boost your earnings. Optimize your profile by participating in activities that align with your interests. Stay updated with current promotions and challenges on the site. Keep track of your points and understand how to convert them into cash or gift cards. Set a goal for how much you want to earn each month. Consistency is key, so make Swagbucks a routine part of your online activities. With patience and dedication, you can maximize your earnings over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.